Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode update, shocking truths come to light as Sarveshwar storms into the celebration, revealing that Nandini is still his wife and Bipasha is his daughter. The Bose family is left in turmoil as Lal feels betrayed, Bipasha breaks down, and Janak once again stands strong in the middle of the storm. Stay tuned as we break down all the drama, twists, and emotional moments from this explosive episode. Nandini discreetly asks Bipasha if she received a call. Bipasha admits she has been receiving multiple calls, and even Lal has been contacted. Nandini warns that if she goes to the police, her first husband will leak certain photos. Bipasha panics, realizing that if her father exposes the truth, her life will be ruined. Nandini advises her to stop crying and arrange for money. Bipasha, desperate, looks at Jhanak and declares that she will hand Jhanak over to her father. Jhanak serves drinks and snacks to the guests. Anirudh questions why she is doing this work. She bluntly tells him she is performing maid duties, reminding him that this is how he wanted to see her when he first brought her to the house. He urges her not to serve the people who insulted her, but she refuses to listen, asserting that he has no right to tell her what to do. She reassures him that she knows how to survive. Arshi witnesses their conversation and calls Anirudh to come with her. He refuses, telling her to enjoy the party. Frustrated, Arshi leaves. Janak warns Anirudh to go to her, or else another argument will arise. As the celebration continues, Appu and Lalu sing. Suddenly, Sarveshwar arrives, yelling, Happy Holi. Nandini quickly hides her face. Bipasha questions her reaction, and Nandini shockingly reveals that Sarveshwar is Bipasha's biological father. Shubh asks Sarveshwar to introduce himself. Sarveshwar demands that Nandini step forward, but she pretends not to know him. He accuses her of lying. Anirudh presses him for answers, and Sarveshwar formally introduces himself. Anirudh asks what connection he has with the family. Bipasha, alarmed, calls Sarveshwar a scammer and insists they don't know him. Sarveshwar boldly declares that he came to meet his wife and daughter. The revelation confuses Dadi. Bipasha urges Lal to get rid of Sarveshwar. Sarveshwar then drops a shocking bombshell. He announces that Nandini is his wife and used to work as a dancer. He claims that Bipasha is his daughter and further states that he never divorced Nandini, meaning her second marriage is invalid. To prove his claims, he presents photographs. He then turns to Jhanak and asks her to serve him food. The episode starts with Lal confronting Nandini about Sarveshwar's revelations. Nandini denies the allegations, but Dadi insists that the photographic evidence makes it undeniable. Anjana urges honesty, saying Lal deserves the truth. Lal, feeling betrayed, accuses Bipasha of deception. Bipasha insists she recently learned the truth and had no intention of hiding it. Lal remains skeptical, arguing that she was old enough in the photos to be aware of her past. He insists he should have known before their marriage. Anirudh advises Lal to move on since he is already married to Bipasha. Lal refuses, stating that he alone will decide whether to accept her. He then insults Anirudh, implying he has no standards and citing Jhanak as an example. Anirudh defends Jhanak, arguing that she has been transparent, unlike Bipasha, who kept secrets. Arshi questions his loyalty to Jhanak, and Anirudh admits his concern but denies any wrongdoing. Jhanak intervenes, urging everyone to stop and asking Lal not to publicly insult Bipasha. Bipasha, however, secretly resolves to send Jhanak to Sarveshwar. Lal orders Nandini and Bipasha to leave. Mrinalini objects, calling it a family matter, But Lal insists it is personal. Choto and Bablu try to intervene, arguing that Bipasha should not be punished for Nandini's actions. Bablu insists Lal cannot simply throw Bipasha out. Nandini reveals how Sarveshwar betrayed her. Lal insults her, but she stands firm, saying she chose to live for Bipasha instead of ending her life. Lal insists she should have told him the truth earlier. Bipasha pleads with Lal to believe her, but he refuses, citing the dishonor Sarveshwar caused his family. In a shocking statement, he tells Bipasha to work where Nandini worked. The family is stunned, and Bablu questions his words. Lal dismisses Bablu, reiterating that it is his decision. Dadi seizes the moment to insult Bipasha, calling her disgraceful despite her arrogant demeanor. Nandini protests, but Tanuja supports Lal, insisting they must respect his choice if he does not want to stay with Bipasha. Bipasha insists she was unaware of her past. Nandini explains that she only wanted a better life for her daughter and credits her second husband for supporting her. Lal dismisses her second marriage as invalid. Nandini asserts that legal status does not negate years of commitment. Jhanak urges Lal to consider Bipasha's feelings. She argues that neither Bipasha nor Nandini deserves humiliation. She reassures Bipasha, insisting she does not have to leave. Jhanak stands by Bipasha. The episode starts with Jhanak questioning Lal's decision to cut off ties with Bipasha just because he recently learned about her past. She insists that Bipasha has done nothing wrong and should not leave. Bipasha admits to Jhanak that she has wronged her in the past and apologizes. Jhanak assures her that there is no need for an apology, as she understands the difficult situation Bipasha is facing. Shrishti wonders why Arshi is not answering her calls. When Vinayak asks what's wrong, she explains that she wanted Bipasha's help regarding Jhanak. He reminds her that Bipasha is Jhanak's enemy, but she replies that she just wants to set things right. When he asks about her plan, she tells him it's a surprise and insists she will help Arshi overcome her depression before he leaves the room. Jhanak tells Bipasha that she has the right to stay in the house and no one can force her out. Lal warns Jhanak to stay out of his affairs, declaring that women like Jhanak and Bipasha have no place in his home. He instructs Nandini to take Bipasha away. Bipasha pleads with Lal, asking where she will go. Nandini reminds him that as Bipasha's husband, he must divorce her before she takes Bipasha with her. She adds that Bipasha won't agree to a divorce and that Lal has no valid reason to demand one. She urges the Bose family not to punish Bipasha for her mistakes and encourages Bipasha to stay strong, reassuring her that she has done nothing wrong. Bipasha breaks down and hugs Nandini before she leaves. Bipasha tells Lal she cannot live without him. Lal shoves her away, accusing her of putting on an act. Aniruddha confronts him for treating Bipasha so harshly, but Lal insists he no longer wants her as his wife before walking away. Bipasha collapses in tears. Apu excitedly tells Anuradha how much she enjoyed the event, while Lalo remarks that Anuradha should have attended. She asks about Arshi, and Apu explains that she fought with Jhanak. Kajol adds that Arshi didn't seem sad, but Lalo believes she has changed. Kajol brings up Sarveshwar, and Lalo expresses concern over Lal's reaction. Apu is confident that Jhanak will support Bipasha. Anuradha advises them to go and eat. Lal finds Bipasha in his room and demands that she leave. She reminds him that it is their shared space, but he refuses to listen. He declares that he is ashamed and accuses her of betraying him. She begs him to understand, insisting that Sarveshwar is the one trying to ruin her life, not her. He blames her for destroying his life and tells her to leave. She pleads with him, explaining that she has nowhere to go since her father won't accept her. Unmoved, he says she can stay in another room and that he will find a place for himself soon. Bipasha agrees to move to the guest room for now but insists that she will eventually leave. Lal suggests she go to her biological father, Sarveshwar, and start fresh. She accuses him of insulting her, but he retorts that she has already ruined his life. Determined, she vows to stay put and see who prevails in the end.